Hi everybody, this is Rhonda from Grand Manor Magazine. Hello Twitterers, Facebookers, and YouTubers. Another episode, which is the AKA Mad Hatter Diva and her Wonderland. I'm so happy to be joining you again for another fun weekend with us at Grand Manor Magazine. And of course you're probably saying, hey Mad Hatter, where's your hat? Well, here it is, guys. Get ready to put it on right now, and so we can do a little bit of shopping, right? At the Grand Manor Magazine Shopping Hotspots. So let's put on our hat so I can turn into the Mad Hatter. All right, let's put on my hat. I feel like a rocker today, like I'm rock and rolling right here. Tilt it just a little. I love to tilt my hat. And let's get the show on the road. All right, guys. This week, I think last week, I mentioned to you all about some shoes that I purchased. So I like to try different name brands and see if they are what they really, are advertising and what they're saying. So I'm going to share with you, do an unveiling today of some shoes that I bought. And I had them posted in our Grand Manor shopping spot number 1. So if you go to our homepage at www.grandmanor.com, you'll be able to see beautiful shopping items that I'm posting today. Each day, daily, we put new items up, okay? So let's go in and let's take a look. Now, this week, I want to tell you our theme is Polka Dot Heaven and more. That's our theme for this week, okay? So you'll see some beautiful polka dot summer, fun, frilly, and exciting items, okay? Name brand items. So let's go on here. We have a designer that maybe some of you might be familiar with. We have him on our Grand Manor Magazine Shopping Hotspot today, and he is called Moschino. Very well-known designer, very big in 2021, and I love giving support to new designers and new artists. He's been around for a while, and he's been moving it in the fashion world. So let's go check this out. The first item that you see here is a ruffled polka dot shirt dress. Now, it might be extremely pricey, but hey, if you're looking for something that no one else will have, if you're looking for something to just give you that, how can I say it? Give you that little fashion excitement. If you're a fashionista, you're going to want something like this. It's a ruffled polka dot shirt dress. Now, it's it's kind of pricey, but again, it's for that person that, you really don't care. There is it's sort of like a car. You know how some people buy an expensive car, they just love, they gotta have it? This is the type of items that we have, just a little bit. We kind of give you a little tasting today. So if you look at this, it's $1,370. Yes, $1,370. And it's a ruffled polka dot shirt dress. And then next to it is an adorable, really cute, it looks like a jacket, but shut up, it is not. It is a polka dot biker jacket shoulder bag. Can you believe it that that's a shoulder bag? It is, and it's totally polka dot. I love polka dots. So, if you're interested in something like that, it's $2,095. Oh. Right, ladies? I know, right? So if you save up, you might be able to get this little darling little item. So we're going to move on. You can see we have some more Moschino items. And this one here is the polka dot pussy bow shirt. It is absolutely adorable. As you can see, it's got the bow tie at the top. Very polka dotty, and it goes polka dotty all the way down in the yellow. I love the combination when you see the yellow and the pink and the black. I think one of these times I'm going to need to get in contact with him. He is also a follower on our Twitter. Okay, so hello, Moschino. And he's always looking for me to give support, so we're giving you support, okay? We're giving you a spotlight. And definitely, hopefully I'll be able to get him on here and we'll get a chance to chat with him a little bit and talk about some of his designs. Wouldn't that be nice, right? So we're going to get working on that. Okay, so this one here is $1,020. And again, this is for the fashionista that goes, you know what? I don't care about the price. I want that item. And if you're a true fashionista, sometimes they'll drop it when it's hot like that. Right? Serve it up. All right, now the next one, that bag that we have next here is a crossbody bag, logo chain, polka dot. This one's a little bit lower priced. It's $935. That's sort of very reachable, and it's really adorable. What I love about this bag, it's got all of his entire name of the designer right there. It's a Moschino bag. So when you walk around with that bag, people will know it is a Moschino bag, right? You can't go wrong with that, huh? All right, so we're gonna keep going. We have some other polka dotty items, but this one here, choo-choo, we're gonna go low priced. This one is from Boohoo. It's a woven polka dot wrap front ruffle tea dress, and it's $14.40. That one there is a lovely price, and it was originally $36, and now it is $14.40. You know what I mean? If that's not a good price, I don't know what is. So those of you that are watching your budget and looking for something, still wanting that fashion fabulous look, but don't want the fashion fabulous price, that will probably be the most gorgeous dress for you to try. So, and we did shoot it in with another Moschino to show you that his bags can go with just about anything. That here is another biker polka dot crossbody coin purse. Isn't that cutesy and so adorable? Oh, I love it. So if you look at that, it has cute little pockets, all little zippings all around it. And that's what I love about this Moschino bag. It has so many little secret little pockets and stuff in it, right? So if you're out somewhere, you can kind of go like, oh, let me unzip this part, let me unzip that. And I know we're going through a pandemic, but you know what? We still you gotta live, and you can't let things bother you. As you know I always come in, I give my little tips and my little thoughts, but I just want to share that with you. Chin up, right? Be happy, and we're going to work it. We're going to make it, and I think a lot of us now are getting more out there, and that's really, really good, okay? And always, always be safe, okay? So even though we wear our fashion, we still have to wear our mask and be safe as much as we possibly can, right? Right. Okay, so you see we have some more with the pocketbooks, with the biker style shoulder bag pocketbooks. And what I love about it, again, it looks like a little shirt pocketbook, right? They're absolutely adorable. Now this here is a McKinsey. Let me just go right here. Psh, boom, boom, boom. There we go. That's a Zanzibar. Wait. That's a Zanzibar outdoor ottoman with cushion. With a cushion on it, and I love the fact that, again, it has the polka dot in it. I think this particular furniture piece would definitely be a conversational piece that you would be talking about, right? You would definitely be talking about it. And look at this shirt right here. We found this is really nice. We did a search. That's what we do. We search and try to find things that we think that you guys will like. You know what I mean? I hear our phone ringing. Oh my gosh, it's getting so busy. So again, this is the women's polka dot shirt. It is from the Invalon, and it's $21.99. You cannot beat that price. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love that shirt. I mean, I really, really love that polka dot shirt. I think it's adorable, and I think what I love about it is it will fit. I think they have different sizes, so whether you're petite or plus size, definitely it's something that I think you'll be able to wear. I absolutely love it, and I think you can wear it even for the fall season, not just summer. So it's kind of cool. really awesome piece. So we're gonna move on. As you can see, we have a lot more polka dot. Now, boom, here we go. There's the shoe that I bought, and right now I'm going to do the unveiling right now. And then after that, we're going to definitely cut the show and then head off into some other things today. We're going to be posting some new recipes, and then I'm going to be talking about a new movie that is coming out on June the 11th. I'm not going to tell you the name of it. It's very, very huge, very, very popular. I cannot wait to talk about it. I'm like, oh, I cannot wait. I'm like so itching. I mean, my hat is just like going, I'm so excited. I just can't wait. So let me do the unveiling. Now, when I ordered this item, here's how it came. It came packaged. This is the package that it came in. This is from Asos, and that's those shoes right there that you see right in front of your screen. Right there, okay? So this is how it came, packaged just like this. Now, back in the day, you know, they used to package things and put them into, you know, shoe boxes. So this is interesting that it came like this. So I think that's kind of cool. You know, I kind of like it. So now I'm going to open it up, but I'm going to make sure that you guys can see this. I hope you can see me over here. I'm going to leave it like that. Okay, so now I'm going to pop this open. Ooh. I'm using some scissors here to open this up, and I'm opening it right now. You see I'm opening it live. Oh my God, there's another wrapping in here. I'm really trying to get to these shoes, Asos. Okay, I'm popping that open there. Oh gosh, I'm gonna do this, and I'm getting here. Yeah. Oh my God, they're wrapped again. I really like that because, you know, you want your things to come really nice. Look at this. I just bought these. Look how they're so nice. Oh my gosh. Look at that. We're going to throw this in the garbage right there. OMG. Look at that. And it has a big Asos on it. And it says here, this is recycled material. Oh, it's good to think of the environment. I love this. All right, now let's quickly open this up and get to those shoes. I'm trying to get to the shoes. Okay, now we're gonna pop this open. Woo, 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 woo. All right. All right, guys. I hope these shoes will fit, right? Look how securely wrapped. I love they put all this tissue paper on it. Oh my gosh, I'm like so excited. I'm like a little kid, like it's Christmas. That's what I feel like, right? Oh my God, here they are. I'm gonna throw this in the garbage. All right, and now, oh my God! Okay. OMG! Look at that shoe, guys. Oh. I'm gonna put that in there. Oh, wow. Does that not look like the shoe that they advertise? Oh, it's beautiful. Look at the shoe, guys. It's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh, it's adorable. Isn't this beautiful? Oh, let me open the other one. And let me quickly get it open. Oh my gosh, I love this shoe. Now, this shoe was originally priced for $29. It is on sale now. A 40% drop. It's now $17.25. I'm going to throw that in there. I'm going to take this out. Is this not an adorable shoe? And look at that. I love it has a little heel. I didn't think it would have that much of a heel. Like, I didn't think it had a heel at all. But as you can see, it has an absolutely adorable heel. I'm going to get it up close. I hope you guys can see it. Oh my gosh, it is absolutely adorable. Right? Now let's see if it'll fit. Let's see. I'm going to put it on right now. I'm going to take my glitter shoes off and then dash these on my feet and then let you guys get a chance to see if it fits. Now, I had gotten a 6 in these, and let's see if it fits true to size. So I'm going to slide this out, my other shoe. I'm doing this. I cannot believe I'm doing this live. I can't believe it. I'm doing this. I'm so crazy. I am a mad hatter, aren't I? Okay, so now we're going to slide our foot in here. Oh my gosh, it is absolutely a perfect fit. I'm gonna move the camera so you guys can see. Oh, you're gonna like fall out. I'm gonna fall out. I'm gonna move the camera, guys, so you can absolutely see. I'm going here, and I'm just gonna do like this so you can kind of, I hope you can see the shoe. It is absolutely adorable. I don't know what you're seeing, but I'm trying to, so I can show you. I'm trying to show, I'm such a Mad Hatter. I'm trying to see if you see the shoe. I absolutely love them. Right? I think they're absolutely adorable. I'm going to put this back up here, the camera back here, so you can see me. OMG, right? Oh my gosh, I'm putting this back up here so you can see me. Okay. OMG, tell me. And they're so comfortable. Oh my gosh. Oh guys, is definitely a must buy. So that is our spotlight item of the day, the Asos Design Y-Fit Lacy Slingback Shoe. Definitely go online, go to www.grandmanor.com, check out the rest of our shopping. We've got a lot of goodies. I didn't show all of them to you. I don't even want to talk about it anymore. Go on so you can see. Whoop, 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 whoop. So you can see. So you can see the rest. I don't want to spoil it anymore. Go on to the website today. These items will be posted today and tomorrow. After tomorrow, we will be posting new items. So look out. And also too, our newest issue is coming out this weekend. That's right. Oh, it's been a labor of absolute love. And it's been a while, but you know what? We are revving up. We've got things going fabulously, and I can't wait for you to see this issue. And we've got some more to come. They're going to be zipping through like this. Psh, psh, psh. So get ready for Grand Manor Magazine. We are definitely going to be taking on the scene. All right, so see you next time, guys. This is Rhonda Love from Mad Hatter Mad Hatter Diva and her Wonderland. So I'll see you again. I'll see you at the next time of my next Mad Hatter tea party. Guys, thank you so much for letting me into your world. You have a wonderful and blessed rest of the weekend. Mwah, 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 mwah. I love you all. Bye, guys.